Okay, a translation. In middle school, we call this a slide. So let's look at point B. Right now, point B is at 4, 5. B prime is at 0, -1. So we slid it 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and down 6. So if B goes 4 to the left, down 6, A goes 4 to the left and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and C goes 4 to the left, down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When one point goes a certain distance in a certain direction, all the points go a certain distance in a certain direction. That's what a translation is. You're just sliding. Okay? So, when you do a translation, see how the numbers in the brackets are. 7, -4. It's just like an ordered pair. Okay? The X is first and then the Y. Okay? So it's telling you move every point 7 to the right and 4 down. So if we take F and we move F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. There's F. E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. E prime, prime. G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. G prime. Same shape, same size, just in a different location. We just moved every point the same direction and the same amount. Okay? Now, what is the translation rule here? How did we move the points? Well, let's look at S. How far did I move S, right or left? 1 to the left, so it's -1. How far did I move S down? 4, so it's a -4. So it's a translation of -1, -4. A translation of -1, -4. What's a translation that goes from C to A? From C to A. Left 1. Down or up 2. Wait. From C to A is actually right 1, isn't it? C to A. I was going A to C. C to A is right 1 and then up 2. Right 1, up 2. Let's go the translation from G to D. G to D. Right 1, up 5. From G to D is right 1, up 5. Okay, next vocab word, composition of rigid motions, is a transformation with 2 or more rigid motions where the second one is performed on the image of the first one. So it's a rather long definition. Okay, when we read words in a sentence, we read from left to right, correct?
Yeah.
We read left to right. When we're doing composition of transformations, we go from right to left. Step 1 is on the right, step 2 is on the left. So we go this direction, so it's just the opposite of what you would think. Okay, just the opposite of what you'd think. So, for this one, to move from A to B to C, okay, to move from A to B to C, first we translate 1 to the left and 2 down. Then we translate 3 to the left and 4 up. So then what we do is we put it in this order. This one is first. This one is second. We have to go in that order. Okay? So if you do this, if you want to write it as one single transformation, what we do is we add up these two to be -4, add up these two to be +2, and we just combined these two into one transformation. So it would be this one and this one would be t -4, 2. That's what they combine to, t -4, 2. Okay, in learning a new dance, Kyle moves from position A to position B and then to position C. What single transformation describes this? Because the first transformation, he goes to the right 2 and up 2. Then his second one, which we put on the left, he goes right 1, down 1. So if we combine those, what is his transformation that he does from A to C? What's 1 plus 2? 3. -1 plus 2? +1. So it's 3, 1. And there we are. He goes over 3, up 1. All right. So if you do 2 flips, if you do a flip and then another flip, it's the same as a slide. If you do a flip and a flip, it's the same as a slide. Okay? That's not super important to me. Okay? But that's what happens when you do 2 flips. It always makes a slide. Okay. All right, so that will be that. I will assign your second one out here.